Welcome back to my channel. In 1795, specialist Victor Frankenstein makes a beast by assembling portions of cadavers and restoring them. Astonished by his creation, Frankenstein attempts to obliterate it, yet the beast makes due and murders his significant other Elizabeth. Frankenstein pursues it to the icy, however he capitulates to the chilly climate. At the point when the beast gets back to cover Frankenstein, it is gone after by devils, however is then safeguarded by two figures of deformity, Ophir and Keziah. They carry it to a basilica, where the beast meets the figure of grotesqueness sovereign Leonore and her second-in-order Gideon. Leonore makes sense of that they were made by the lead celestial host Michael to fight evil spirits on the planet and safeguard mankind. She names the animal, Adam, and welcomes him to go along with them, however he declines and decides to leave. He is given stick-like weapons to safeguard himself, as additional evil spirits will come after him. The weapons permit him to dive evil spirits as they have the image of the figure of grotesqueness request cut on them. For the following 200 years, Adam lives separated from society, killing any evil presence that seeks after him and stowing away from them. Choosing to rejoin society in the present day, Adam searches for and stands up to a gathering of devils. During the battle, a cop is unintentionally killed. This makes Adam be gathered by the figures of grotesqueness again and they choose to detain him as discipline. An evil spirit Helek, who endure Adam's assault, reports to his chief, the devil ruler Nabarius, that Adam is alive. Nabarius has masked himself as very rich person money manager Charles Wessex and utilizes researchers Lance Swim and Carl Avery to lead trials to attempt to restore carcasses. He sends a gathering of evil presences drove by his most considerable champion, Zuriel, to go after the figures of grotesqueness church building and catch Adam so he can open the key to reviving the dead. In the assault, numerous evil spirits are killed and 16 figures of deformity, including Ophir and Keziah, are got back to and caught in paradise, however Zuriel sneaks in and catches Leonore and takes her to a neglected theater. Adam examines an evil spirit who lets him know that they baited the beasts out to catch Leonore so they can drive the figures of deformity to exchange Adam for her. Gideon is told to exchange Adam to them. In any case, Adam gets away from after the assault. Without Adam, Gideon rather offers to exchange Frankenstein's diary for Leonore, which was found on specialist Victor Frankenstein's body on the night they tracked down him. At the theater, Gideon gives Zuriel the diary and Leonore is saved. Adam follows Zuriel to the Wessex organization, where he finds large number of carcasses underground and discovers that Nabarius plans to reproduce Frankenstein's investigation by reviving the cadavers and involving them as hosts for the slipped devils so he can remake his militaries and annihilate mankind. Adam recovers the diary from land and escapes the evil spirits. He later tracks down land and requests her assistance. The two are then gone after by Zuriel, where Adam battles him and figures out how to slide him. Adam cautions the leftover beasts of Nabarius' arrangement, consenting to give them the diary on the off chance that they get him and land to somewhere safe and secure. Leonore concurs and when Adam leaves, she subtly sends Gideon to kill him after he recovers the diary. After a brutal battle, Adam climbs Gideon and afterward chooses to consume Frankenstein's diary and obliterate its insider facts before the figures of deformity come after him. Drawing them out of the basilica, Adam drives them to the Wessex organization, where they plunge Nabarius' right-hand man Dakar and afterward fight more evil presences. In the resulting fight, Adam goes into the organization to save land, who had been seized by Nabarius and compelled to start the most common way of reviving the bodies. Nabarius overwhelms Adam and attempts to have one of the evil presence spirits have him, yet it doesn't work since Adam has fostered his very own spirit. Adam cuts the figure of deformity request image on Nabarius, sliding him to damnation. The establishment implodes and falls into a void, where every one of the evil presences and every one of the had cadavers are obliterated and Nabarius' arrangement is upset. Leonore salvages Adam and land from falling into the void also and they return to the basilica. Leonore pardons Adam for Gideon's demise and Adam says goodbye to land. In the completion scene, Adam portrays that he will keep protecting the world from devils as he proclaims himself Frankenstein. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.